Hello friends, so we will continue to learn simple past tense and past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, as you know, that is used to talk about actions that were in progress at a point of time in the past. कभी पिछले पास्ट में कोई काम हो रहा था तो उसको past continuous बोलते हैं. Worksheet 6 is related to that, simple past or past continuous. You see, I painted my room yesterday. It is simple past, and I was painting my room at 5 p.m. yesterday. It is past continuous. So you see that simple past is used to express a completed past action, whereas past continuous is used to express an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. These two tenses are often used together to show that one action was going on when another action happened. अब देखिए कि दोनों पास्ट सिंपल और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस को एक साथ प्रयोग कैसे करते हैं. जैसे आई वॉज डूइंग माई होमवर्क व्हेन लाइट्स वेंट ऑफ. तो एक सेंटेंस में हमने पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का इस्तेमाल किया और एक में सिंपल पास्ट का. तो इस तरह से ही हम लोग ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे. लाइक यू सी, एकता ड्रॉप्ड हर पर्स accidentally while she was boarding the metro. I was telling a story to my daughter when the guest arrived. इस तरह से कर सकते हैं. When the thief realized that the policeman was looking at him, he ran away. He ran away. R-A-N, ran away. Just as I went out of the office, it started raining. My fever was getting worse, so I went to a doctor. It's clear? 6. Jyoti fractured her hand. Jyoti fractured her hand while she was having holiday. She was having holiday in Jaipur. I think this must be correct. I saw the Eiffel Tower when I was staying in Paris. When the principal came into the class, everybody was making mischief. The girls were singing loudly. The girls were singing loudly, and the boys were making paper balls. You can write like that. Now let us do worksheet 7. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verb given in the brackets. अब हम लोग को present perfect पढ़ना है. चलिए देखते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट क्या है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड, जो अभी अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एन एक्शन दैट वाज कंप्लीटेड इन द पास्ट बट हुज इफेक्ट कैन बी फेल्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग. लेकिन अभी तक उसका इफेक्ट है, यानी कि प्रेजेंट से उसका मतलब है. कंप्लीट तो हुआ पास्ट में, लेकिन प्रेजेंट से उसका ताल्लुकात है. तो आई होप कि पिछली कक्षा में आपने इसका स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा होगा. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ हैव प्लस V3. ओके, तो हम लोग वर्कशीट 7 को कंप्लीट करेंगे. माई पेरेंट्स हैव, पेरेंट्स प्लूरल है तो हैव लगाएंगे. पेरेंट्स हैव अग्रीड टू सेंड मी टू द पिकनिक. द टीचर has called me. The teacher is singular. The teacher has called my parents for a meeting. Vikram has got a new computer. He can work much faster now. Rahul has fallen from the stairs. We must take him to a doctor. prices of the basic commodities have risen sharply over the last 2 months. Although the government has taken a lot of measures to control the situation, people do not look satisfied. Yeah. Now, have you found have you found your mobile phone? No, I have. No. Do you have seen it anywhere? Do you have seen it anywhere? This will be the correct answer. I have finished my homework. Now I come with you to the mall. I have stayed in this hotel twice. It has really nice rooms. Now I के साथ हम लोग have लगाते हैं. Now worksheet 8 we will see simple past or present perfect. You see, the first is I called the plumber to fix the leaking water pipe. This is simple past tense because subject plus V2, and here is I have called the plumber to fix the leaking pipe. I have called, it is clearly present perfect tense. So you see, you read these lines. If a past action has a link with the present, we use present perfect. If a past action has no link with the present, we use simple past. Also remember that we do not use any past time reference such as yesterday, last week, etc. with present perfect tense. Some verbs in the sentences given below have been used in wrong forms. अब wrong forms में लिखा हुआ है. अब हमको underline them and write the correct forms. One has been done for you. अब हमको ये exercise करना है. So today we will not do this. Tomorrow we will do this. So thank you for today.